Alright, so I finished foaming the hot tub back up, and to give you an idea, I mean, that's the section that I had to foam up, and then all this over here that you can tell is different colored. And then there was a couple small spots on the tub where I just made some really small repairs. And to give you an idea, you know, that paneling goes from the corner to here, and you have, you know, here's the edge of the corner paneling, it looks like, about right in here somewhere, by this cover edge. And you still have, I don't know, another 2 feet maybe, 16 inches, somewhere like that, over of good foam. So, I mean, almost the whole back side, realistically, had to be done, all the way over to the corner molding piece. And I used 4 of these froth packs to give you an idea. It's called Froth Pack 12, and it's supposed to do 12 board feet. Definitely let it sit inside after you buy it from the store for probably 3 to 4 days. The first one I used, I started in here, and it did not expand at all. I mean, 12 board foot got me this section and a little bit of this section here. All this foam that's up here on both of them is from the second one that sat for probably close to a week before I sprayed it in. And then they really poofed out, and I didn't have any problems. But the I would just say, you know, make sure you let it sit in probably, you know, a warm house for probably a good week. It definitely seemed to get way better expansion that way. So yeah, this is basically it. I'm going to pay the dealer. They're going to come out here and they're going to put the shell back on for me, and then I'm going to move it into place in my patio, and hopefully it's good from here on out. So for a free hot tub, so far I'm not regretting it. Take care.